Good morning, class 7th. Students, today we are going to start chapter number 4, formatting a worksheet. Okay? In this lesson, we will be learn about formatting text, aligning data in a cell, indenting data in a cell, orientation of data in a cell, wrap text and merge and center features. Number formatting options also. Okay, students? Now let's begin. Many of the commands you will use to format data can be found on the Home tab. Where found formatting data? Home tab. In the font, alignment and number groups. Okay. This is your top align, middle align, align left, center align, align right, bottom align, wrap text, orientation, merge and center, increase indent and decrease indent. Alignment command let you format how text is displayed across cells both horizontally and vertically. Okay. This is your tab. This is your file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view and acrobat. Okay. We will be discuss about this tab. This is your Calibri font size. By default font size your will be Calibri. Bold, italic, underline. You can bold your font, you can italic or also you can underline your words. This is your font size. By default it will be 11. You can change with how much font size you will be increase or decrease. Okay, it's up to you. Now increase font size, decrease font size. You can also increase or decrease font size from here. This is a font color. If you want your font in color, so you will use this option, font color. Fill color, you can also fill color. And bottom border, if you want to bottom border in your spreadsheet, so you can use this. Okay. Font command let you change the style, size and color of text. You can also use them to add borders and fill color to cells. Okay. Now second is general. This tab, accounting number format. This is your accounting number format, percentage style, comma style, number format, decrease decimal and increase decimal. Number commands let you change how selected cell data, number and dates. Okay. Now changing font type. To change the font type, follow this step. Step 1, select the cell. Step 2, on the Home tab, in the font group, click the arrow next to the font box. A drop down list appears. Now step 3, choose a font of your choice from the list. Okay. Now changing font size. To change the font size, follow this step. Select the cell. You can see this is all your font type. Okay, which font type you want, you can choose from here. And Calibri is your by default font size. Okay, font type, not size. Okay. Now step 2, on the Home tab, in the font group, click the drop down arrow next to the font size box. A drop down list appear. Okay, this is your font size list. Okay, which font size you want, you can choose from here. And by default font size is 11. Okay, now choose the desired font size. Okay, if you want to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, which font size you want, you can choose from here. Okay. Now font style. Font styles are predefined formatting options that are used to emphasize text. Okay. On the Home tab, in the font group, click bold. To bold the selected text, press Ctrl+B. Okay. On the Home tab, in the font group, click italic. You can also use keyword Ctrl+I. On the Home tab, in the font group, click underline. You can also use Ctrl+U. Okay. This is your bold, italic and underline. Which you want, you can use from here. Now changing font color. To change the font color of this text, follow this step. Step 1, select the cell. Now step 2, on the home, in the font group, click the arrow next to the font color. Okay, font color. Select the color by clicking the color you want to apply to the text. Okay, this is your color plate. You can select which color you want to apply. Understood? Now the text will appear in the selected font color. If you have applied this color, so your text showing in red color. Okay. Now changing cell alignment. Alignment means placement of the text or numbers with respect to left and right margins. Margin is the space between the text and the edge of a page. There are 3 types of vertical alignment: top, middle and bottom. There are 3 types of horizontal alignment: left, centralized and right. To align the text, follow the step. Step 1, select the text on the home tab in the paragraph group. Click any of the alignment buttons. Okay, this is alignment. Top alignment. First is top alignment. Align text to the top of the cell. Press Alt plus H, then A plus T to top align the text. Okay. Middle align. Align text to the middle of the cell. Okay. Press Alt plus H, then A plus M to middle align the text. Bottom align. Align text to the bottom of the cell. Press Alt plus H, then A plus B to middle align the text. Now, align text left. Align the connects along the left edge of the cell. Press Alt plus H, then A plus L to left align the text. Center. Plus the contents in the middle of the cell. Press Alt plus H, then A plus C to center align the text. Now align text right. Align the contents along the right edge of the cell. Press Alt plus H, then A plus R to right align the text. Okay. Practice column, you have to practice by yourself. Okay. Now indent text in a cell. In Microsoft Excel, the tab key, which key? Tab key does not indent text in cell like it does in Microsoft Word. It does in Microsoft Word, but it does not work in Microsoft Excel. It just moves the pointer to the next cell to change the indentation of the cell contents. Use the indent icons. Okay. To move text further to the right in a cell, click the increase indent icon. Okay. Increase indent icon you have to click. If you have gone too far to the right and want to move the text back to the left, click the decrease indent. Okay, click decrease indent if you have gone too far. Okay. Now applying a border. If you want to apply borders, so to add a border, follow this step. Step 1, select the cell you want to modify. On the home tab in the font group, click the drop down arrow next to the border command. The border drop down menu appears. Select the border style you want to use. To remove the applied border, select the no border from the border drop down menu. Okay, here is your border menu. This is your bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all border. Okay, which option you want, you can click and choose. Now orientation of text. Orientation means direction or positioning. Direction or positioning. Orientation of text is the rotation of text in different angles inside the cell. The various orientation options are, okay, these all are different variation orientation. Okay. Now wrap text, merge and center. Wrap text makes all contents visible within a cell, within a one cell, by displaying it in multiple lines. To wrap text contents in a cell, follow this step. Select the cell, which cell you want to wrap, so you have to select on the home tab in the alignment group. In the alignment group, click the wrap text button. This is your wrap text button. Okay. Notice that data will fit in the cell in multiple lines. Now merge and center. Merge and center. Join joins or merges the selected cell into one larger cell. The text is displayed in the center of the cell. This is used to create levers that span multiple columns. Okay. To merge the cells, follow this step. Select the cell on the Home tab. In the Alignment group, click the Merge and Center button. Merge and Center button. Okay. To split the merged cell, again click the unmerged cell. If you want to unmerge, so you have to click on unmerged cell. Split the merged cell. Okay. Now formatting numbers and dates. To format numbers and dates, follow these steps. Step 1, select the cells. Step 2, on the Home tab, Number group, click the drop down arrow next to Number Format command. Now step 3, select the number format you want. By default, the numbers are entered in a cell as general number. Commands in number group let you change how selected cell display numbers and dates. Okay. For example, you can format numbers with decimal places, currency symbols or percentage symbol. Okay. To format number and dates, follow the step. Step 1, on the Home tab, in the Number group, click the drop down arrow next to the Number Format command. Choose one of the option. Okay. General is the default for any cell. When you enter a number into the cell, MS Excel will guess the number format that is most appropriate. Currency, format the number as currency with a currency symbol. For example, if you enter 6 into the cell will display the number as $6. Okay. Now time format number as HMMS and notes AM or PM. For example, it would appear in this format 11:20 AM. Okay. Now number formats the number with decimal places. For example, if you enter 5 into the cell will display number as 5.5.00. Okay. Now sort date, format the number as month, date, year. For example, it would appear in this format Wednesday, July 1, 2015. Percent, format the numbers with decimal places and percent sign. For example, if you enter 0.45 into the cell will display the number as 45.00%. Okay. Student, all the practice section, this, no more, and let's explore, and all the practice section and no more section you have to read out by yourself and you have to practice by yourself in your computer or laptop. Okay. Without practice, you cannot understand all these commands. Okay. Thank you, friends. All the exercise and question answer I will be providing in PDF. You have to write in computer notebook copy. Okay. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.